Get ready. Today I'm revealing the best 100% free cybersecurity certifications you can earn right now. No fees, no tricks, no hidden costs. These are real credentials from top global security organizations. Let's dive in. First up is the ISC2 Certified in Cybersecurity, a truly premium free certification. ISC2 is offering 1 million free certifications, including complete self-paced training and a free exam. You'll learn identity management, encryption basics, incident response, and risk management. Simply create a free account to get started. Next is Fortinet NSE levels 1, 2, and 3, all completely free. These cover the threat landscape, cybersecurity evolution, FortiGate essentials, SDWAN, OT security, and more. Fortinet also provides free exam vouchers, completion certificates, and CPE credits. There are also powerful vendor-specific opportunities. Palo Alto offers free courses like Security Operations Fundamentals. Cisco NetAcad provides free cybersecurity learning paths. Google Cloud gives you free browser-based hands-on labs with temporary credentials. No credit card needed. EC Council offers 24 plus completely free cybersecurity courses with 1-year access. Topics include Python for security, bug bounty, cloud security, malware analysis, IoT security, and penetration testing lab setups, all with completion certificates. For hands-on learning, you have options like Metasploit Unleashed, the most comprehensive free Metasploit resource from OffSec. SANS CyberAces provides free modules on Linux, PowerShell, networking, and cryptography. Cybery's free tier also offers foundational courses and 1 lab per career path. Top universities also offer free cybersecurity learning. Coursera's audit mode gives free access to courses from Google, IBM, Stanford, and the University of Maryland. Allison offers CPD-accredited cybersecurity courses, and the Linux Foundation provides free security courses recommended by ISC2. You can also explore Simplilearn SkillUp for short, certificate-based cybersecurity classes. NIST offers free training on the globally used NIST cybersecurity framework, covering governance, risk management, and incident response planning. Here is your 90-day zero-cost learning path. Month 1. Build your basics with Cisco NetAcad and Simplilearn, and prepare for the ISC2CC exam. Month 2. Get hands-on with the EC Council, Metasploit Unleashed, and Cybery Labs. Month 3. Attempt ISC2CC and complete Fortinet NSE levels 1 to 3. The bottom line is simple. You can earn globally recognized cybersecurity certifications completely free. There are no hidden costs, just your time, effort, and consistency. These programs offer hands-on labs, official credentials, and direct pathways to professional certifications.